We got reconnected based on a particular patient story that we thought was pretty powerful and wanted to share with others. Do you want to walk us through that particular case and sort of what the patient was going through and how you helped them out?
So yeah, this was a patient that had multiple warts on his heel, mostly for about 10 years. And he had been to multiple other providers and had pretty much every treatment that you can imagine, including excision of the warts. And after they excised him, they actually came back bigger. And he had treatments from, topical medicines to, additional biopsies to every, laser treatments. I mean, you name it. And not only that, but he had been on these websites where people talk about warts that they can't get rid of, and everybody's going through all these treatments. So he'd been seeking like everything. And he finally found me, and I'm not sure how he found me. I think he was actually referred by another provider, if I remember correctly. So that's where the journey started. And we went through the swift process. I talked to him about it, and we ended up doing a total 4 treatments on him. But by the end of it, they were completely resolved, 100%. And it was for him, for somebody that had him for so long and had just tried every single thing he could think of, it was life-changing, literally life-changing for him to finally be rid of those.
Was he someone who was in discomfort as well? Like, were these lesions painful?
Yes. Yeah, they were. It hurt to, with certain activities and just, walking and putting in certain positions and different types of shoes. Yeah.
And he's a college professor, correct?
Correct. Yeah.
So that's someone who's on their feet all day.
Correct. Yeah, definitely standing a lot. I mean, just teaching, you're standing up there all the time. So yes, for sure.
And Dr. Potts, did he report that he saw fairly immediate pain reduction, or how was the journey on the pain side? Forget about the resolution side. How was the pain side for him post-treatment?
As far as I would say, after the second treatment, I mean, it's been a little bit, but after the second treatment, he could tell, hey, something's going on, that the pain is getting better. They're not as tender. I can tell something's different. They just look different. And so, yeah, there was some of that where the pain was reducing within the first couple treatments for sure.
And good for you for getting a testimonial. I'm sure he was fairly willing to share his story.
Yeah, I mean, he told me on the first visit when he saw me, he was like, if you can get rid of these things, I'll do anything. Like he would have done anything to get rid of them. And because like I said, I mean, I can't tell you how much of his life he had spent not only directly treating them, but searching, the internet for everything he could possibly do. So, to finally be rid of it was amazing for him.